Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For that you will have several ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you are able to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot. What is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part here or with the arrow, you will send it directly to your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Pretty nice, huh? One more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And of course, you can take also your screenshots with your SPen. Just tap on the SPen menu, then go on screen right and you have a capture as well. Huh? So just tap on the arrow to save it to your gallery. There's a second way to have your screenshots with your SPen. Just tap on the SPen menu, go on Smart Select, and it's pretty nice because you can cut out now a part from the screen here, and you can even pin it somewhere here, maybe if you want to draw a picture and so on. Pretty nice. Yeah, if you want to remove it, just tap here, tap on the X, and it's gone. Yeah, where are your screenshots? Of course, here at the gallery, and here the pictures, they're mixed up with your photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.